Hi children, in our video for collecting time, I had said that we have a lot of time, right? Because we're not traveling to school anymore and we're not getting dressed for school, and after coming back we're not tired, and so we have actually managed to collect a lot of time. And I had asked that if you people are doing something different or something unique with what you're doing with the collected time, do let me know. And here are some of the responses that I got, and some of them were really unique. Okay, so some people are learning. I'll go through what a lot of people are doing in common, then I'll come to something which is more unique. Okay, so some people are learning instruments, musical instruments. There's veena, violin, flute. Some child has learned beatboxing during this time. There are YouTube channels. People have put up a lot of stuff on YouTube channels. People are writing blogs, they're writing stories, poems, and analyses. Some people, now that they have time, some children say that they have more time to read the paper and discuss with their parents because they're able to find out some time that they have with their parents. So they're discussing stuff and writing those analyses in their blogs. Some children are doing painting, sketching on paper, canvas, walls, murals, and things like that. They're solving puzzles. They learn to solve new puzzles, and they've also learned to create new puzzles. So some children say that they have created some new puzzles, and also some have brought back old puzzles which were there, played during their parents' time. Now they have learned it fresh. Um, some children have learned a new dance form. Now this is not just restricted children. I also got some response from people who are 24, 28 in that age group also. So some people have learned a new dance form, yoga, Zumba, then photography. A lot of people, a lot of children and adults, young adults have told me that they picked up photography. Of course, now streets are barren, and very few people are able to go out at a very restricted time. They've been clicking sunset and sunrises and rains from trees and water droplets falling from trees, and in that time lapse mode and things like that. Photography is a thing which quite a few people have picked up, and photo editing. Some children have learned photo editing, and that has taken them into a creative photo editing space which people have put into their blogs. People have different Instagram accounts for presenting all this. Some children, both boys and girls alike, have taken to cooking and learning new recipes, and it's a very pleasure. It's a lot of happiness with this to tell me that they've learned cooking because it's something they can do for the whole family, and it's a skill that is not just useful during these days but also something that you've acquired for a lifetime, right? There's a new love for newspapers, so people have started buying newspapers which they were not buying earlier, and have started reading, looking at different cartoons and things like that. They're writing novels. Children have said that they have started writing novels and have come up with more creative plots because now there's a lot of time to think. So this is my thinking time, and then they come up. So people have almost come to end of novels, that those children who have written novels. Online classes, another thing a lot of people have done. They have picked up a lot of new topics, and topics which is not adding to their how do you say their forte, what they thought was forte. Have done things like counseling and well-being and something very very different, Vedanta and things like that. People have done on as online classes. Now let me look at something which I feel is something not very commonly done. One of them is DIY. One girl told me that she's doing DIY with her father's kit. She has her father's toolbox, and with that she's creating things, and whatever is lacking she would buy from Amazon. So those are creating DIY things. Then creating new puzzles, as I said, the unique thing. Birding from window, balcony. You have one tree, or you have a small bush in here. There are birds which are coming because the human activity is reduced. So people have taken up birding. A child told me that he has started carving on erasers. So he started with carving on erasers, making small simple fishes and birds and things like that, and then he has moved on to creating even more unique stuff like a chair and a sofa set. He also has started with erasers. He's moved on to soaps, and the last, when he spoke to me, he was carving on pencils. He was taking pencils and bringing it out very gently and carving on pencils. Yeah, decoupage is something which people have learned sitting at home to make photographs which are there for a lifetime. And cartoons, people have created cartoons with daily life incidents. Cartoons with daily life incidents. Okay, so these are some of the things which people have done. A lot of children ask me, what is it that I do? I'll show you what I have done. So these are some of the photographs of things that I have done. Yeah, so I have also created some time, and for me, getting that time in the morning when I don't have to get dressed to go to work and I don't have to hurry with the breakfast for my family was a really lovely time. And yeah, these are things that I have done. Wall mural on our wall, and birding. I've taken up birding, and I've also found some rare species which we didn't know came to this area where I do birding. So that's it. And yeah, people are doing. So tell me, what's your pandemic special? People who haven't contacted me, tell me what's your pandemic special. So let's make this pandemic memorable. Yes, it's a difficult time for all of us, but these are times when we can actually create memory because we have time. Yeah, chalo, bye.